Simple Mobile, operating on Verizon's network, offers straightforward cancellations due to its prepaid, no-contract model. To cancel, you'll generally need to deactivate your account, port out your number if you want to keep it, and settle your final bill. Recent FCC regulations, effective since early 2025, aim to speed up port-out processes, now requiring completion within 2 hours for in-network transfers. You can cancel via the Simple Mobile app, website, or by calling 1-877-878-7904. Make sure you are the account holder and have your ID ready. Be aware that failing to fully deactivate might lead to accidental reactivation fees. So to answer the question of how to cancel, simply contact them through their app, website, or phone number. When canceling, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, you can deactivate your account via phone, app, or website. Deactivation is immediate, and unused service may be credited. To keep your number, port it to another carrier. This requires your account to be in good standing, balance under $5, your account PIN obtainable from customer service, the new carrier's porting form, and identity verification. Porting is free. Finally, your last Simple Mobile statement includes prorated charges, unused data credits, and any fees. Pay via the app or website. Avoiding these simple things will ensure a smooth and easy process to close your account.